Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Labs. Today we're going to be building this front-end app using only Cursor AI. This is all thanks to Cursor's new update, Composer, which allows it to read through all of your files at the same time, enabling you to create fully functional apps extremely fast, with little to no coding involved. So this is their website, and I want you to head over there and download this tool right now. Hearing about its features, you might think it's expensive, but it's actually free. Just follow the link in the description and download it now. Before we start working with Composer, I want you to make sure this option is enabled in case it's disabled by default. We're going to open the command palette, type Composer, and enable it. All right, let's jump into a quick demo of Composer. First, we're going to open a folder. I'll go ahead and open one up right now. Next, I'm going to create a new text file for the instructions. Now I'll write what I want Composer to create. Let's say a personal budget tracker. As you can see, Cursor also helps me through its auto-completion, which is blazingly fast and provides much more detail to my instructions. Now we'll open Composer by pressing Ctrl+I, and after that we will tell it to follow our given instructions and make the web app for us. Now that I've started the generation with Composer, you'll notice something really powerful. It doesn't just create a single file, it's generating multiple files, automatically connecting them all together. You can see the structure forming over here in the right panel. What's even more impressive is how Composer analyzes the project and writes the code accordingly, thinking through how each file should interact. This means less work for you, and everything is seamlessly integrated in real time. And just like that, the budget tracker is complete. Composer has done an incredible job. It automatically structured everything from the layout to the core functionality and linked all the files seamlessly. What's great about this tracker is that it's clean, functional, and fully customizable. You can adjust the features or expand it as needed. The best part? Composer did all of this without requiring me to write a single line of code manually. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for building apps like this in record time. Cursor Composer helps you build your app while clearly explaining the code. This means you can create even if you're new to coding, and if you're experienced, you'll understand exactly what each feature does. Now, before we move on to another demo, let me tell you about some of Cursor's other features. The first feature is the tab in Cursor. Multi-line edits suggest several changes at once. Code generation predicts your next edit based on recent changes. Smart rewrites fix your mistakes, and Cursor Prediction helps you navigate your code seamlessly. The next feature is Chat in Cursor. Codebase Answers let you ask questions about your code using @Codebase or Ctrl+Enter, and Cursor will find relevant information. You can reference code with @symbols to see a list of files and code symbols. Drag images into the chat for visual context. Ask the web for the latest information with @web, and apply code suggestions by clicking the play button. Finally, reference popular libraries or add your own documentation with @library_name or @docs. The last feature is Ctrl+K. Use it to edit code by selecting and describing changes, or generate new code instantly. Quick questions let you get answers about your code, and fast edits make adjustments with ease. Next, we'll dive into the second demo where we'll build a task management app. I'll be using all of Cursor's features, including Composer. Just like before, I'll create a text file with the requirements and features for the task management app. Then, I'll ask Composer to generate the app based on these details. Here's the first result. As you can see, it didn't make the website visually appealing. To address this, we'll ask it to improve the design and make it more engaging. Here's the result it gave us, and it looks pretty good. However, there are still a few bugs, so I'm going to use Cursor to fix those as well. As you can see, I'm using Composer along with the built-in chat to fix all the bugs and quickly find solutions. And here's the final result, a fully functional task management app with a clean, user-friendly interface. It includes a list system where cards can be placed, making it easy to organize tasks and track progress, all while maintaining a visually appealing design. Cursor Composer makes it easy to build apps, fix bugs, and understand your code. Whether you're working on a website, automating tasks, or improving your project, Composer simplifies the whole process. Check out the website and download it now to start coding with less hassle.